So actually, sir, I for the whole journey, I seriously want to thank you. I'll be providing the context that why I am thanking to you. So basically, apart from clearing CFA level 3, I am a CA finalist as well. So I started out my journey by doing starting with CA. I did CA Foundation and CA Inter. So there's a subject in CA Intermediate, Financial Management (FM). So basically, I took classes of that from you. So before that, I did not know that in finance there are other courses as well, like CFA, FRM, CIPM, any course. So you used to speak a lot about CFA, 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 CFA. You used to praise a lot about CFA. And while I was preparing for my intermediate examination, I already had a thought that what is this CFA? Why Sanjay sir speaks so much of CFA? So I researched about it. I talked to many tutors and stuff, because obviously I could not start before giving my intermediate examination. And then after I gave my intermediate examination and cleared in one go, and then I decided that I think I should start with CFA. But the main hurdle was that I want to start with articleship. So how am I going to manage, because CFA being a professional course is equivalent difficult. But despite many criticisms, many challenges, and I would say there was a no from my family too, because they are like कि it's a CA, CA की value India में, and why do you want to go for CFA and stuff? Because I had this thought of, I guess that CFA gives you recognition worldwide. So I wanted that, because I don't want to confine myself to India only. So I started taking lectures from you. Obviously, it had to be you. And I started out my CFA journey. Firstly, my parents were, quite upset about the fact that I'm starting another degree and all. But as soon as I cleared level 1, they were happy. I told them that what is CFA, the benefits and all. And then after that, I cleared level 2 in one go. I even got scholarship for level 2. And then then they were the one who forced me, basically said, just complete CFA now, because CFA sounds, more interesting and more, we can say that it suits you basically. So I cleared level 2 last year, November, and I enrolled as soon as the results came for level 3, and I did it in the 6 months. Apart and side by side, I was completing my articleship as well. So I guess that's a game changer, and it would not have been possible if I did not took classes of FM from you. I would never have known about FM, about CFA, about anything. So I always say that to my family, that I guess Sanjay Saraf sir is my mentor, because I can't say that in words. Your wisdom is invaluable to me, I would say. And the day results came out, I cried a lot.
So the audience को मेरे ख्याल से that part needs to be elaborated. When you said ना कि your mom dad said that it suits you, वो जो language बीच पे आपने use किया, it suits you. To the best of my experience, what you mean to say is that, see, when parent is seeing his child study सुबह से रात तक, there's no doubt about the sincerity with which you have done your CA inter. कोई डाउट नहीं है, CA inter एक बार में निकालना, it cannot be without a lot of perspiration. ठीक है, तो एंड द नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस दैट वन हैज टू डू, जा जाके करना पड़ता है या व्हाटएवर जैसे भी, ठीक है, और उसमें जो फिर थियरी सब्जेक्ट्स को मगअप करना पड़ता है, प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है वगैरह वगैरह, तो वो जो स्ट्रेसेस है वो अपने चेहरे पे दिखता रहता है पेरेंट्स को, ठीक है, क्लियर कट दिखता रहता है. मैंने लिटिल बिट ऑफ लेस रिंकल, लेस कर्व्ड फेस ऑफ योर्स व्हेन यू स्माइल, एवरीथिंग इज विजिबल टू आवर पेरेंट लाइक एनीथिंग, बिलीव मी. ओके, वी कांट गेस इट, दे कैन गेस इट. So when you are studying for another program like CFA, and they could see that you are working hard, but they could see that यार इस बार तो ये खुश से पढ़ रही है, माने she is studying in a माने happy manner, माने वैसा स्ट्रेस नहीं है जो वैसे होता है. तो इनको क्या दिखता है, तो बहुत अच्छा है, माने ग्लोबल प्रोग्राम भी कर रही है और खुशी खुशी होकर पढ़ रही है, मेहनत कर रही है, दिख रहा है, पर एट द सेम टाइम खुश रहती है, हम लोग के साथ भी बैठती है, ठीक है. माने दैट वे इट्स नॉट. तो वो पेरेंट्स को जो अच्छा लगता है ना, द रीजन व्हाई दे सेड नो व्हेन यू जॉइंड सीएफए, एक तो ठीक है सीएफए का ज्यादा पता नहीं था वगैरह, दूसरा क्या है ना, मतलब पेरेंट्स नहीं चाहते कि बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस बच्चे के दिमाग में आए कि वो इतना प्रेशर ले नहीं पाएगी, फिर क्रैक करेगी, ये वो समझेगा, तो इस कारण से वो लोग उस कारण से पहले ना किए. बट व्हेन दे फाउंड इट, नहीं यार ये तो यू टर्न हो गया है, ठीक है, लाइफ में, मतलब शी इज बिकमिंग हैप्पी एंड शी इज फोकस्ड एंड ऑल दैट, तो दैट इज व्हाई दे सेड दैट वे. ठीक है, नाउ coming to the other technical angles of preparation, please elaborate.
So as far as the preparation angles are concerned, I took all the three levels from you, all the videos and classes, and I guess the starting point of clearing exam from my perspective is the videos and the conceptual part, because every concept was cleared after I have seen all the videos, and then after that I used to refer core sometimes if there's a part which I am not able to understand. So I used to refer a core, and I took it very handy. And after that, I have given mock test every time you launched it for level 1, level 2, level 3. And level 3, I took the personal grading mock test. I guess that is the reason I have cleared CFA level 3, because there was a time, I was also shattered. Like, I don't know how to put up answer. Whenever there used to be a question in the subjective form in candidate resources, I used to skip that question because I had the habit of objectifying, because I used to tick mark only. So when I enrolled for the mock test, last 15 days, I guess, last 15 20 days, I guess last 15 20 days was a game changer, because the first mock test which I gave, I scored like, I guess 50 55 marks out of 120. And when I gave the second mock test 7 or 8 days later, I was on top 4 of the learners, I would say. So I that crossed, I guess, 80 or 90 something. So that whole difference was in 7 to 8 days, because I realized that how I have to write the answer. And I guess it's not that difficult, because coming from a CA background in which we have to write a lot and mug up a lot, use the same words. So that was not difficult, but it's obviously it requires preparation for that. The mindset that you have to be concise, but you have to be brief enough the answer so that you can move to the next question without, getting injustice to the question. So I can say that. And for the in the exam as well, I had sufficient time. I completed that in the sufficient time. I flagged some of the questions, and I had time to cover all that.
Yeah, correct. So mock test तो मेरे को पूरा लगा है it has been a game changer. मतलब although there have been some students who took the mock test but still have not cleared. It is not that 100% that way. But still I feel that those who have cleared have taken the mock test. They will definitely admit that वो mock test की वजह से पूरा मैंने लास्ट का जो 15 डेज का होता है ना, काश ऑप्टिमली यूटिलाइज हो जाए. ठीक है. और वो स्ट्रेस जो आना है, सोचना जो है कैसे लिख रही हूं मैं, सर क्या बोल रहे हैं करेक्शन में, सर ने क्या लिखा है फीडबैक, कहाँ मार्क्स कटा है, कैसे लिखूं, वो जो जब अपना थॉट पूरा एकदम हिल जाता है ना, दैट वाज नेसेसरी टू हैपन. ठीक है. आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई मतलब इट हैज बेनिफिटेड यू ऑल. वेरी गुड. एंड
So
व्हाट आर योर
basically,
करियर प्लान्स?
I want to go to CFA now only, because I'm drifting my profile now. I don't want to continue CA, because I don't say that I don't have enough strength left after doing all the exams. And now that I have realized my interest and my potential, that I can do better in the CFA domain. So basically, I'm also looking for opportunities in portfolio management, equity research, VC, and
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi only.
Okay, good.
So I had one more motivation to crack CFA level 3. That was the fact that I completed the course in 2 years. So from the last 2 years, I am juggling between two courses, and every other person, is judging me on that. Even my parents, that complete at least one degree. You are in between of 2 degrees and all. So I had that spark that my parents used to tell me, stop, bas so jao, ho gaya, kal kar lena. So I guess the spark and the motivation that you require is all that also matters.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. एंड आई फील दैट ऐसा नहीं है कि सीए इंटर करके कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं हुआ. सीए इंटर करके काफी
हाँ.
बेस मिला. ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट वी केम इन टू कनेक्ट होते एक अलग बात है, बट उसके अलावा भी तो सीए इंटर करके जो बेस एक क्रिएट हुआ है, तो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट अपने ऑडिट कंट्रोल्स वगैरह में जाएं, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी इन आवर एरिया. देयर इज नो सेंस इन ट्राइंग टू वंस अगेन गेट इनटू द स्टूडेंट मोड एंड ऑल दैट. नॉट दैट आई एम जनरलाइजिंग कि जिसका भी ऐसा है उस सबको सीए छोड़ देना चाहिए, मैं ऐसा एकदम भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. बट मेरे ख्याल से जो इंटरनल कॉल आता है ना, विदाउट द प्रेशर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, ठीक है, वो इंटरनल कॉल को फॉलो करना जरूरी है.
I have also interned with BlackRock for 6 months, but that was in FP&A. So basically, I did not like the profile and did not accept their employment offer. So I was, criticized on that too, that you are leaving BlackRock. Who leaves BlackRock?
Yeah.
But that is not my area, because I did not like the FP&A part. I wanted something to be, related to the CFA part, so that I can practically apply what all have learned. So I did not took that. I took a risk, but I guess now that's fruitful.
Yeah, and right now we are standing at the correct juncture where people, if they apply their spread their tentacles, obviously some sort of referencing is required. But if you really spread your tentacles, as in the entire family, whatever connects and all that, and you will get an opportunity of getting interviewed in the next 3 months. And one can, माने इसमें क्या होता है ना, पेशेंस होना पड़ता है कि आई एम गोइंग टू गिव द नेक्स्ट 3 to 6 months टू स्टार्ट समवे, ठीक है, बट दैट कैन नॉट हैपन द नेक्स्ट डे, एक दिन बाद. You have to give 3 to 6 months to properly start so that you are not compulsive in terms of joining whatever comes up. क्या करें, अब तो कुछ मिल रहा नहीं है. Rather than you have some choices and you are able to choose. Okay, I'm choosing this. Money is a criteria over there, but money is not the only criteria. The work that they are going to make me do as a fresher, that is the most important criteria.
Exactly.
Correct.